Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. Got a little, this little scrap block of mahogany. Just going to make a little dish out of it. It's not real big. It's like 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches. It's about 2 inches thick. I thought, why throw it away? I'll just make a little small little dish, little bowl out of it, just to use up some scrap. So we'll get it mounted up there and see what we can come up with. I don't know. I thought about leaving it square. I don't know. Probably not. Probably just make it round. But we'll get it mounted up and see what we can make out of this. So I get it mounted up and we'll get started. Okay, we got it mounted up there, so we'll get it started and try to get rid of these corners. I think I'm just going to have it round. Not going to do it square. It's going to be a simple, just a simple little dish. So, got my safety glasses on. I'm using a 5/8 bowl gouge. See what kind of speed we can get. Probably pretty fast because it's pretty square. Yeah. We'll go about 1,200 RPMs. Pretty hard. So I'm gonna we'll get a tenon on it here. I might do a little wing bowl. I don't know. It's just but I'll get a tenon on it. Got to sharpen my gouge. I've done a bunch of craft turning the past few days, so I really used them a lot. Had a Christmas coming up. Been doing lots of gifts. I had a big order I had to ship for somebody to do a craft show. But let me get sharpened up. And I'm going to go ahead and finish this off, get the tenon on it, and then we'll get to the middle. Yeah, so after I started turning up, I think I'm going to leave it square. Do like little side wings on it. It's looking pretty good. Switch to a 3/8 bowl gouge. That 5/8 is a little too big for this small. But yeah, we'll finish this off here and get rid of these flat spots. Of course, they kind of look pretty cool. Huh. I don't know. We'll finish that. I don't want to go too deep into there. I think I'm gonna leave that because I kind of like the way it looks. Might go just a little bit more. Okay, yeah, I want to leave it like that. Kind of got cupped in a little. Alright, one more time. Like that right there. Okay, so I'll get it turned around and then we'll get started on the inside. Okay, got it flipped around. We'll get started on the on the middle of it there. It's really pretty wood. I'll get this pretty much done and then we'll come back when we get to the end. Alright, we got it pretty much where we want it there. Got it all cut out. Left the edges pretty thin, bottom's pretty thin. Got to where I couldn't see it's dusty. Some red mahogany dust all over my mask. I'll show you how you can't see, look at that. It gets so dusted up there you can't see anything, but take this off. We'll we'll get it sanded there and get this all cleaned up, get it sanded off, and then we'll come back and put some finish on it. Alright, got it all sanded, got the tinning off. I'm just going to wipe it down with some natured alcohol and get it all dust free. Open up them pores on that. Let me grab another paper towel. Okay. But yeah, haven't turned a lot of mahogany. Of course, we don't have it in this area. Someone had sent me 2 blocks. It's been a while ago, but they sent me a box of scrap wood, and these was in it. But I thought, well, I'll just make a little bowl. But I ended up leaving it square. I kind of like the winged look there, so I'm just going to put. I ain't gonna put no polishing paste or anything on it. I'm just gonna put linseed oil on it. Kind of makes it a little bit darker, but it also brings out that golden look in the mahogany, which I like the gold look in it. We'll get it all in there, and I'll do this, let it dry, and I may hit it one more time, but we'll see when I'm finished up. Alright, got all the linseed oil on it. Actually let it dry, and I put one more, come back and do it one more time. There it is. Just a little square of oil. It's kind of off-centered. A little bit thicker there and here. But yeah, turned out really well. Excuse me. Turned out really good. It's that dust that's getting to me. Got through the mask. But yeah, just finished it with linseed oil. Still fire, about 4.5 by 4.5, about 1 3/4 inches deep. But really beautiful color in that mahogany. Kind of looks gold. I don't know if you can see it on there real well, but here in the light it's kind of a gold. Brings out that gold tone in the mahogany. But something simple, just something fast, just do a quick video. I've got another bigger one planned next week. Finally got caught up on a lot of my crafts, a lot of my birdhouses. I've sold so many birdhouses in the past 2 weeks. It's unreal. A lot of Christmas gifts, I guess, but I've been very busy doing that. But anyway, I've got a video making birdhouses. Kind of one of my first videos, actually. You can go check it out. But yeah. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. I usually try to do a video every week. Something different. I do, I use my own technique. Don't try what I do. Just remember to be safe. Safety first. Wear your safety glasses. Face mask is the best. Face mask is a great thing. Dust mask, gloves if you have to, especially doing live edge stuff. But those that have subscribed, thank you very much. Leave a comment. I love reading the comments. Usually get back to every one of them. Trying to hit our goal, hit our goal of 500 subscribers. I think we're at I think I'm at 360 right now. Trying to hit that 500 goal mark before the first of the year. So y'all stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video.